The internet works completely different than your job. And if you don't realize this soon, you'll stay stuck in the 9 to 5 cycle forever. Hi there, if you're new here, my name is Ruan and I am the founder of Ruan Road to Riches. And at one point in my life, I've been exactly where you are now. You see, at a job, you trade 1 hour of your life for a set amount of money. If you work more hours, you might get a little bit more money, but you run out of time because there's only 24 hours in a day. Now, this is what I call the trap. And I was exactly in that same spot. I was working hard, doing everything that I was told, but it always felt like I never got ahead. I was tired and I just wanted a way out. I wanted freedom. And that's when I realized something huge. The internet doesn't care about your time. It cares about systems. Think about it like this. When you're at work, you can only do one thing at a time. But on the internet, something you can do once can work for you 1,000 times over and over again, even while you sleep. Most people try to start an online business, but they bring their 9 to 5 employees mindset with them. They think they need to work 40 hours a week on a computer to see actual results. That is not how it works, my friend. You have to change how you look at effort. I had to learn this the hard way through my own story of trial and error. I struggled until I discovered the right formula to break free from that time for money trade. That's why I created something to help you skip all the confusion. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's a simple guide that shows you exactly how to stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like someone who actually owns their time. The best part, it's 100% free. I sent it out in the very first email that I sent out when you join my list, because I want you to have the tools from the get-go that I wish I had when I first started. You don't need fancy degrees or loads of money to start. You just need to understand the new rules of the game. The internet is a tool you use to reach millions of people all over the world at any time. When you set things up the right way, your work stays out there forever. It doesn't disappear when you clock out at 5 o'clock. If you're tired of feeling like you're running on a treadmill, going nowhere slowly, it's time to change your strategy, my friend. You deserve to have your time back. You deserve to wake up when you want and actually work on the things that actually matter to you. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a life where you are the boss of your own clock. I've put everything I know about this shift into that blueprint, that free one. It's the exact path that I used to change my life. If you want to see how the math of the internet actually compares to a job, you need to see this. No more guessing, no more wasting time on things that don't scale. Just a clear plan to help you get your freedom. If you're ready to stop trading your life for a paycheck and want to see the free blueprint that I follow, I want to help you get started right now, but I also need to see that you are serious. Comment the word ready below to get the information to grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint, explaining all the steps in detail. Freedom is just a decision away, my friend. I hope to see you on the other side. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you heard, then hit subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.